Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana Study Circle. I have been teaching mathematics last 6 years. Friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates. And also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos. Friends, in this video, I would like to teach you lines and angles. This is the special topic on pairs of angles. In these pairs of angles, we are going to learn what are complementary angles, supplementary angles, adjacent angles, linear pair, vertical opposite angles, and transversal. Let us learn one by one. First, complementary angles. What are complementary angles? If the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, then the angles are called supplementary angles. Let us observe in a figure. This is 70 degree angle. This is 20 degree angle. Sum of these two angles, this is angle 1, this is angle 2. Sum of these two angles 70 plus 20 is equal to 90 degrees. So these are called complementary angles. The complementary angle of, and also we can say that the complementary angle of 70 is 20 degrees, and the complementary angle of 20 degree is 70 degree. In this, two angles are acute angles. In each of the angle of a complementary angle is acute angle, means less than 90 degree. 70 degree is less than 90 degree, and also 20 degree also less than 90 degree. Supplementary angles. What are supplementary angles? If the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees, then the angles are called supplementary angles. Let us observe those in a figure. This is an angle approximately 110 degrees. One more angle, $70 degrees. Sum of these two angles is 110 plus 70 is equal to 180 degrees. So that's why these two angles are called supplementary angles. And also we can say that the supplementary angle of the supplementary angle of 110 degree is 70 degree, and the supplementary angle of 70 degree is 110 degree. Each angle of in supplementary angle is either obtuse angle or acute angle or right angles. How like right angle? Let us observe in figure. 90 degrees, one more angle 90 degrees. So sum of these two angles is 180 degree. So two angles, sum of two angles is 180 degree. So that's why these are supplementary angles. Two right angles always supplementary to each other. Adjacent angles. If two angles having a common arm and a common vertex are called adjacent angles. Let us observe this in a figure. This is one angle. This is one more angle. These two angles have OA. This is OA arm. This is common arm. OB is common arm. OC, another arm. This is a common vertex. This is common vertex. So these two angles are called adjacent angles. These have common arm. OB is common arm and O is common vertex. So these two angles are adjacent angles. A pair of complementary angle or a pair of supplementary angles need not be adjacent angles. Next, linear pair. What is a linear pair? A pair of adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degrees is called a linear pair. A pair of adjacent angles whose sum is a straight angle, that is 180 degrees, is called a linear pair. Let us see this on figure. This is an angle approximately 70 degrees. One more angle 110 degrees. So the sum of these two angles, this one angle, this is second angle, sum of these two angles is 180 degrees. 110 plus 70 is equal to 180 degrees. So these two angles are called linear pair. Vertically opposite angles What are vertically opposite angles? If two lines intersect each other at a point, then the angles formed opposite to each other are called vertically opposite angles. Let us observe these angles on a figure. This is one line. This is one more line, LM. These are intersecting at a point. Here we have formed totally 4 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. These angles are 1 and 3 are opposite to each other. So this 1 and 3 angles 1 and 3 are called vertically opposite angles. Angle 1 and angle 3. This one pair of vertical opposite angle. Here one more vertical opposite angle, 2, 4. 2 and 4 also vertical opposite angle. Angle 2 and angle 4. These two pairs are vertically opposite angles. These vertically opposite angles are always equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. These are vertically opposite angles. These vertically opposite angles are equal. Transversal. What is a transversal? A line which intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called a transversal. To understand this, let us observe a few figures. These are two lines, LM. This is a line intersecting in distinct points. This is P. Here we have 3 lines, PQR. This is S intersecting in distinct points. So this is also, these two also called transversal. This is A, B, C, D. Here we have A, B, C, 3 lines. This is one more line intersecting not in distinct points. It is also going this a single point only, ABC. This is X. But these are not, this is not a transversal. This is not a transversal. These two, 1 and 2 only example for transversal. let us know more about transversal. A transversal makes 8 angles with the 2 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A transversal makes 8 angles with 2 lines. These 3, 4, 5, 6 are called interior angles. The angles between 2 lines are called interior angles. The angles which inside of lines are called interior angles. Interior angles. Interior angles 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Three, 4, 5, 6. These are interior angles. Next, exterior angles 1, 2, 7, 8. The angles which are outside of the lines are called exterior angles. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, angle 8. 1, 2, 7, 8. Exterior angles. 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8 are called vertically opposite angles. These are 1, 3 opposite, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are 4 pairs. 4 pairs. They are 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 4, next 5, 7, 6, 8, 5, 7, 6, 8. This total 4 pairs. Next, corresponding angles. What are corresponding angles? 1, 5, 2, 6, 4, 8, 3, 7 are called corresponding angles. These are 4 pairs. 4 pairs. 1, 5, 1, 5, 26, 48, 37, 37, 48 corresponding angles. Next, alternate angles. There are two kinds of alternate angles: 3, 5, 4, 6. These are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are 3, 5, 4, 6. 3, 5, 4, 6. These are two pairs. Alternate interior angles are two pairs. Alternate exterior angles. These also two pairs, 1, 7, 2, 8. 1, 7, 1, 7, 2, 8. These also two pairs. Next, interior angles on the same side of the transversal. 4, 5 are interior angles. This is one side, left side of the transversal. 3, 6 also interior angles on the right side of the transversal. So 4, 5 one side of the transversal, 3, 6 the another side of the transversal. So these are two pairs. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Two pairs. When a transversal intersects a pair of parallel lines, then the angles in each pair of corresponding angles are equal. Each pair of corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles 1, 5, 1, 5 are equal. This one pair. Next 2, 6, 2, 6 are equal. 3, 7, 4, 8. 3 angle 3 is equal to angle 7. Angle 4 is equal to angle 8. Second one, each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. Each pair of alternate interior angles equal. Alternate interior angles 3, 5, 4, 6. 3, 5, 4, 6 are equal. Angle 3 is equal to angle 5. And angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Angle 6. Next, each pair of alternate exterior angles are equal. Exterior angles also equal. 1, 7, 2, 8. Angle 1 is equal to angle 7. Angle 2 is equal to angle 8. Next, each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Supplementary means if the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree, then the angles are called supplementary. So sum of two angles, each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal, 4, 5, 3, 6. So angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degrees, and also angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degrees. Here we have a important note. Note 1. If the pair of alternate angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. Alternate angles. If 3 is equal to 5, or 4 is equal to 7, or 1 is equal to 7, or 2 is equal to 8, then the lines are parallel. These lines are parallel. This is L, M. Lines are parallel. Next, second, if the pair of corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. Corresponding angles 1, 5, 4, 8, 2, 6, 3, 7. These are corresponding angles. If these equal, then the lines are parallel. Next, point number 3. If the sum of interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary, then the lines are equal. If angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree, or angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree, then the lines are parallel. Friends, I think you understood each and everything about lines and angles. If there is any doubt, you may write in my comment box. I will clear your doubt. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates. And also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos.